Programming the fryer. Note, fry is the lower toggle. Note that it's asking you if the fry pot is full. You hit enter for yes. You cannot program the unit without oil in the fry pot. We'll start by hitting the program button and typing in the code of 1712. This is for programming the fryer under the system. Hit enter. First of all, degrees in Fahrenheit or Celsius. We can change to Celsius by just hitting toggle clear, or we can go back to Fahrenheit. It will come set in Fahrenheit. Hit enter. This is the type of fryer. Electric fryers are all pressure, ALF are all auto lift, and gas obviously is gas. We want to go back for the pressure fryer and hit enter under electric. Note the melt cycle, no, that is correct, and it will be shipped that way. The idle, yes, it's programmed, and yes, we want it. This is the number of cooks before the fryer requires you to filter. We're going to choose 4. We're showing you here by toggling out. You can wipe out what was there and pick number 4 and hit enter. We'll get out and hit program. It goes back to the beginning. And now we'll program the cooks. Hitting program, typing in 1724 and enter. Notice the lights lit up on all of the products. We'll pick number 1 to program and we'll hit enter. And 13 minutes is the correct cook for bone-in chicken, but if you needed to change the time, all you would do is wipe out the time and type in 1, 3, and your zeros are on the idle button, 0, 0. 13 minutes cook, and we'll hit enter. The temperature is set, 325, that is correct. Flex time will constantly be set with the fryer. We do not want straight time. We want flex time. Hit enter. Valve should always be closed. Hit enter. Time for cook 2, we do not program. Hit enter. Pre-alarm 15 seconds before is the notification and steam release before the product is cooked. That's correct. And lastly, we've set the filter cooks at 4, which is correct, and that will carry through all the programs. Hit enter, and we go back to all the lights lit. We're going to choose number 2 now to build the second program. And just as it did before, we hit enter. Time is set for 8 minutes, which is correct for chicken tenders. If we want to change it, we push toggle clear, push 8 and twice on the idle for 8 minutes. Hit enter. We're happy with the temperature of 325. If we're not, we can change it. And hit enter. The time is now saved. We will always use flex time. Hit enter. The valve will always be closed. Hit enter. We will not use the second step of cooking. Hit enter. And we'll always use the pre-alarm of 15 seconds. So we'll hit enter. And we've already set the cooks before filtration at 4. Hit enter. We've built the second program. And for every program after 2, you can build up to 8 the exact same way. Now we're programming the boil out. We hit program. 1, 7, 3, 3. And hit enter. That will immediately start the water boiling to 200 degrees. 1724 is the program product number, and program 1 is now started. And you'll note when you start the program, it says ready, and it will say heat. When it finishes getting to temp, it will beep. And then when you load the product, you'll touch number 1, and you'll go into a cook. And note the time decreasing. To get out of the program, all you would do is hold number 1, and it will revert back to the temperature and ready. For more information, please contact BKI directly at customer service 1-800-927-6887. Thank you.